Welcome to this tutorial video on how to install SONOFF Smart Wall Socket, Orb Socket, Type F. Inside the box, you'll find the socket, quick guide, and screws. To remove the switch cover, use a screwdriver and locate the recess above the two small notches on the back of the switch. Prying from this point makes it easier to remove the cover. Before wiring, please make sure the power is turned off for safety. Loosen the required screws. Identify the wires in the wall box. Confirm whether a neutral wire is present. Check the wiring diagrams, then follow the steps to connect the wires correctly and ensure all screws are tightened securely. Place the device into the wall box. Ensure that the raised corner of the device is aligned with the corner marked by the power symbol. Turn the power back on. Open any of the following apps. Scan the QR code on the quick guide. You can also find one on the back of the device. If the indicator is not flashing in the 2 short, 1 long pattern, long press the device button for 5 seconds until the indicator flashes 2 short and 1 long. This means it's in pairing mode. Continue following the app instructions. After pairing is complete, the device is ready to use.